Okay, I almost forgot. Tonight is Mary's Skype call with Gina. It's on Afghanistan time, so it's 2 a.m. here.
That's 0200.
I don't know how to do the Skype or get up at 2 a.m. After my nighttime meds kick in, I'm legally dead till 7 a.m.
Darlene, will you help Mom with the Skype call?
Oh, sure. Waking Mom at 2 a.m. to explain technology is kind of what I live for.
Okay, thanks. Okay, now, you be good tonight for Granny.
Can't you stay here too?
I can't, honey.
Hey, you know what would be super fun? An all-girls slumber party, because we can put a tent up in the living room and do each other's hair and makeup and watch videos and make brownies and tell ghost stories.
That sounds horrible.
But what if I can't sleep?
Well, then I'll tell you a bedtime story about two of my dear friends, Applesauce and Benadryl.